What up guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, I try to keep my videos short and to the point. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be chrome deleting these side badges. I'm using Hercules bed liner spray. It has a perfect texturized finish for projects like this. I've used it for emblems in the past. If you haven't seen my other videos, check them out. I've used this and it's held up perfectly fine, hasn't chipped, flaked. I've tried other brands and they're just too gritty, too runny. So this was my preferred choice. So I did about 3 coats, 15 minutes in between. I let the badge dry for a good 24 hours before placing it back on the truck. There you have it guys. As you know, videos never do things justice, but I feel, in my opinion, that the texturized finish is going to work well with the gloss black and also going to match the side view mirrors.